Hey, this is the DIY Magician, and we're here with another How to Create Upcycled Puppets! Woo! Okay, so this is the Be Jolly Singing Dog. This is You Can't Touch This, and it is from Walgreens, and it has the whole thing about to operate the figurine, 3 AA batteries. Let's see if there's something fun, some information that might be helpful. It says carefully remove product from package. On-off switch located at the bottom of item. Press the button to activate the singing and dancing motion. Battery replacement. This is going to be fun. Locate the battery compartment at the bottom of the item. Open the battery compartment by removing the screw from the lid. Remove the old batteries and insert new batteries. That's interesting. Replace the screw, ensuring the battery compartment is securely closed. Do not mix old and new batteries. Do not mix alkaline, standard carbon zinc, or rechargeable nickel cadmium batteries. Do not dispose of the batteries in fire. Batteries may explode or leak. Remove rechargeable batteries before charging and charge under audit supervision only. It says audit. I wonder where this was translated from. You Can't Touch This. Written by MC Hammer, Alonzo Miller, Rick James, and Stanley Kirk Burrell. Publishers BMG Platinum Songs BMI. Bust It Publishing, BMI. Let's see. That's it. And it says distributed by Walgreen Company. Walgreens. 100% satisfaction guarantee. Made in China. Walgreens.com. That was a lot of information for nothing. But I'll tell you what. You ready? Here it is. Da 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 da. Can't touch this. You know, I wonder if that's the full strength version. I wonder if I added new batteries, it might help. He told me, homeboy. Okay, so let's do this. Let's follow the instructions. The first thing it said is to remove the screw on the bottom of the item. And I have to make sure that I have audit supervision. Let's get a bigger screwdriver. Can't touch this is what it says, so maybe I can't touch it. But it did tell me I could remove the bottom. Okay, there it is. Remove the screw. But I have to have audit supervision. Okay, these are the originals. Where are they from? I don't know. Expiration date, see the bottom. What is there? 2020-04. That's pretty good. Get a lot of use out of that battery set. Alright, so let's do this. Let's do it! Let's put some fresh-ish batteries in and see if it changes the attitude of our little dancing figurine here. There we go. There we go. And there we go. Okay, can we touch it now? Whoops. Okay, I do have to securely replace the bottom there. Alright. Alright. But I can't touch this. Okay, you ready? Here we go. 1, 2, 3, go. I don't think the batteries did that much to change. It's kind of listless again. I'm going to save these for later. Can't touch this. Can't touch this. Do you think it'd be louder? Or more animation? Are they playing the whole song? It's like he's embarrassed to sing. Can't touch this? He told me, homeboy. That's it! Can't touch this! Well, I'll tell you what, I'm going to turn that little guy off there. I'm going to make a puppet. Now, to make the puppet, we need to get the screws off the bottom here, because as I was looking at the little trap door thingy bobber there, I saw the material folding over the edge there. Darn it. I hope that this one will work. If not, oh, there it is. Okay. Go to the cheap Dollar Tree tool and it works every time. So we gotta do this whole thing. You know, I'll tell you what I'm gonna do actually. I'll play this while I'm removing the screws. Can't touch this. He's wiggling a little bit. His mouth is moving. There we go. We got one. Going for screw number 2. Can't touch this. You told me, homeboy. Can't touch this. Music hits me so hard. Okay. Got the third screw almost. Alright, one more screw. Am I going to be able to do it by the end of the song? Darn it! Hold on. Can't touch this. This last one's tricky. Almost done. Got music though. O-Town, that must be Oakland. Can't touch this. Oh boy. Nice. He's still talking. I'm going to start taking it apart. There we go. Whoops. Can't touch this. But I am. Okay. Okay, here we go. Let's try it again. Let's see if I can work on it while it's... Can't touch this. He's still talking. Oh yeah? Ooh. Can't touch this. He told me, homeboy. Almost done. Yeah. It's glued on. Okay. Can't touch this. He told me, homeboy. Okay, well, I'll tell you what. There's supposed to be a lot of activity going on, but I see something broken there, so I'm guessing that's part of it. Just a wild shot. But I've got some mouth. Yeah. Oh, good. Oh, this is good. The little mouth area, the cord that holds it together, is it's way back. So it looks like Looks like we made it. Let me get in there and hold on. Almost got it. There it is. Okay. Yay! Awesome. Okay. As the batteries come spilling out. Okay, so let's do this one more time. We're going to do it with the batteries in, and we're going to see if maybe it does something different. Here, hold on. Here we go. You ready? And oh, wow. It wanted to do, ooh. Broken piece. Wow, nice. Okay. Oh, I must have done something. Oh, did I ruin it? Oh, good. I almost said it. Can't touch this. My. Can't touch this. Hang on. Can't touch this. There we go. Can't touch this. Can't touch this. Did I get it? Ah, there we go. Did it double over? Wait a second. Okay. It looks like I did it. Da, 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 da. Here we go. Got the foam out of there, and there he is, an independent, and there's the switch. Ready? Can't touch this. Oh. Can't touch this. There he is. Hang on. Can't touch this. Can't touch this. Can't touch this. Is the mouth working? Can't touch this. Why are they playing Can't Touch This on a Christmas thing? I just realized that. I don't understand. There he is. The Can't Touch It dog. Can't touch this. Okay. We're going to go ahead and leave this little Santa hat on there. We're going to turn this off. We're going to let you know we had a good time. I had a good time. I have a puppet. I'm the Santa dog. Santa dog. Okay, I don't know if we're ever going to use this guy, but he looks cute. He's the Santa dog. And thank you very much for being here today. For those of you who've been with us before, thank you for coming back. For those of you who are new to the channel, please subscribe for all of the updates. And on behalf of Be Jolly, the singing dog, can't touch this. That's right, we can't touch this because we're going to say goodbye. Thank you. This is the DIY Magician. Until next time, can't touch this. Bye-bye.